Hello my lovelies and welcome to my channel. My name is Moon and today I'm so excited to be sharing this unboxing with you. I just got this package in today from Fashionphile. I have opened the box but I have not actually opened the item that I ordered. It is a Louis Vuitton piece and I have been on the fence about purchasing this for a little while, and more recently I got kind of obsessed with getting this item. I just thought it would be an awesome piece to complete my Louis Vuitton collection. I think there's maybe one more SLG that I'd like to purchase after this, but when it comes to handbags, I think this would complete my collection because I own two Speedy bandoliers, I own a Alma BB, and I have a pochette accessoire, which is SLG slash handbag. And then I wanted to get this particular iconic piece. So here we go, without further ado. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So I guess they have this little slip in there and a little thank you note, which is kind of cool, and I will look at all of that. But I would like to just take out the item itself that I have been waiting on for the last few days and much longer. And I'm just gonna go ahead and open it for you. Oh my God, my hands are shaking as I do this. There she is. Oh my gosh. I am so excited. Wow. Oh my God. I don't believe it. Oh my God. Oh my God. There it is. It's the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the PM size. And oh my gosh. Okay, let me take out the handles and unclasp this thing and just kind of show you what it looks like. Wow. This is in really good condition. I am totally shocked. I think this is really beautiful. I don't believe it. There you go. There's a view of the side. And I guess the straps can cinch, but I will soon post a review and what I can fit inside my bag and do kind of a longer review. But I got this from the Fashionphile website. It was the only monogram Neverfull PM that I saw posted. I'd been looking for a while. There is a view of the inside. It's got the beige fabric lining. And so this piece is from 2008. So it's 12 years old. And I really can't believe how great the condition is. It looks virtually like not brand new, but for a vintage, or maybe not a vintage, but like an older piece, seemingly vintage to me because it is over a decade old. But I cannot believe what good condition this is in. And I really wanted this size. I know this isn't always the most popular size from the video reviews I've seen online, but I just think that I gravitate towards the smaller Louis Vuitton bags because I have the Alma BB and I have the Speedy 25 bandolier and damier Eben, and also in the monogram print. So this for me is probably the biggest Louis Vuitton bag that I own. And I don't necessarily want to use it as a work bag. I do have a couple of work totes that I use, and I wanted this to be just like an easy breezy bag where I could hold my stuff and go run errands and possibly take to events and things like that, like a daytime bag. I mean, I think you could use this in the evening depending on the event. Why not? It's not really huge, but I just love it. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna try it on my arm here and show you that. Oh yeah, it does fit. It really does fit actually under the arm. I wouldn't say it's like super loose and comfortable in the sense of I could leave it there for hours, but I could if I was like going grocery shopping or I just needed to throw this bag over my shoulder for a bit. I could definitely do that. Oh my gosh, it's such a beautiful bag. I can't believe it. I am so excited. Anyway, I think I'd like to go and maybe just like start putting things in here and checking out the bag a little bit more. But like I said, I will post a review soon. And I just think this bag is so beautiful. I cannot believe it. And I'm really digging the fact that it's already patinaed. There's just something kind of, you know, humble, despite the fact this is a luxury bag. There's just something kind of down to earth about an older piece that appeals to me. I like that mix of sort of high-low, right? It's got the use and wear on it, but still in great condition. Really beautiful. All right, so that was my unboxing. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed it, please give me a like and subscribe. I would love to have you follow me, and stay tuned for my full review.